Kayunga Central ne Uganda yonna kyetwayagaliza ng'emazi kibuyaga asudde anti omusomesa w'engereka obutuukirivu mu kusona nabida atulagadde olugenda okukyusa abantu badde eri Katonda.
muwendo kye tulina munsi Uganda. Ennaku z'omwezi nga 8 nabira budi tasosola mu mawanga buli muntu yenna mukola ki era bana transport nga bulijjo mukimanyi transport waali paka ekayunga era nze ndi omulabirizi oweruwero era ndi vice mulabirizi oweruwero zoni. Oweruwero naye ababuuze naffe twasaba ekintu kimu nti Katonda yatusuubiza nti alituwa nabbi ayogera olulimi lwe tuwulira ayogera bye tutegeera omulembe guno Katonda atubye nabbi Dawudi leero Africa ffe tufunye omukisa ffe tulidde embanga mukyalubanga lwamini Africa tufunanga nabbi wabula ku mulembe guno nga Katonda bwatusuubiza nti alisindika nabbi ayogera bye tuwulira ayogera olulimi lwe tuwulira leero alumusindise mu Uganda. Mukama fese bazibu waliwo obubonero obukakasanga Katonda atumye nabbi era ne nabbi oyo abeerako obubonero nabbi wa Mukama ayogera ne kiba wabula tuve kubinya ebyabafere ne batuwa obutambaala ne batuwa emisubaawa ne batuwa empeta ne batuwa amazzi wabula ono wa kigambo kale tubaaniriza ekayunga eri ekigambo kya Katonda. What the Lord wants. Righteousness changes somebody's life, especially the youths. I'm inviting the youths, male and female youths, that this is the time for us to transform our lives and accept the gospel of righteousness. Because this is the Aka moment when we have to do what the Lord wants. Most of the youths are derailed by many things. They are drug addicts, they drink, fornicators, unlawful activities, name it. But this is the gospel that changes. That is what has changed most of us. You cannot get the youths here with braids on their head. You cannot get them with earrings. We cannot get them with necklaces. Why? Because the word of God has transformed us. This is the time that we invite you. Come one, come all. Come on the 8th. Do not miss. Bring a friend. Come with your relative. Your questions are going to be answered. Many people are cast. Many people are sick. Many people have all different problems. But this is the solution. Come, your own. The prophet David originates from Ndeje. He's just, you know him as Musau or Dr. David. He's from here, Ndeje. He's therefore going to change your life, and he will therefore be beneficial to your nation, to your family, and to your soil. May God bless you as you travel to Kayunga district. Thank you very much. May God bless you.